Hey John. What are you doing?
I'm creating a zip files.
What does it mean?
It is the collection of file in a single folder.
Oh. It's okay. Now teach me the entry point of C programming.
The zip file concept will help you to learn the entry points of C program.
Is it so?
Yes, there are 2 entry points.
What are they?
They are header file and main function.
Could you please explain it?
Header file is the preprocessor header command that includes standard, input and output header file. For example, #include stdio.h and #include conio.h are the most commonly using header command. I had explained you about the zip file. It of collection of files like that. The header file have the collection of most commonly using code stored in a library. So, it make our coding is much easier by including the header file.
Oh, that's great. Thanks for your explanation. And what about main function?
I check it on next video. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.